So in this section, we're going to be talking about treatment types that are different from metatherapy. So the first one we're going to cover is called phytotherapy. So before you apply the therapy, first go over to this summary page and select the organ that you would like to apply the therapy on. So once you're selected, press on Present Analysis, Test, and now make sure you select phytotherapy. So phytotherapy is plant-based therapy. The database contains certain frequencies of these therapeutic plants and can be directly applied on the patient in order to improve the energy levels of the organs. So in this case, when you come over to phytotherapy, you will see that some options are available in red. So if it is highlighted in red to you, this means that the software has identified this particular plant frequency to be beneficial in improving the energy levels of this particular organ. So these options available will differ from organ to organ, and sometimes certain organs will not even have any plant frequencies highlighted in red. So if there aren't any, it would tell you that no particular plant frequencies matched the improvement of that particular organ. But no worries, we also have a few other types of therapy that we can apply. So in the case that you have a certain plant frequency, like we have here, you can see that it is in red with a D value of 0.375. So this has been identified to be beneficial for the blood cells of this patient. So what you need to do to apply this therapy, first of all, make sure the patient is seated, wearing all the equipment. Next, press on the image of the plant that you see on top here. And when you press this, you will come to a page that looks very similar to the metatherapy page. So the only difference that you may notice here is that now you have this plant image over here. So what this means is that it is similar to metatherapy, but instead they are using the frequency of this particular plant to apply the therapy on the patient to improve the energy of this particular organ.